The Ukrainian military destroyed the Russian T-72 tank. On Tuesday, October 18, the Ukrainian military destroyed an enemy tank with a well-aimed shot. This is reported by RBC-Ukraine with reference to the page of the Dnipropetrovsk Separate Brigade of the Territorial Defense Forces. Today, as a result of the coordinated actions of units of our brigade, together with units of the armed forces, the enemy suffered irreversible losses of armored vehicles, the message says. The Ukrainian military managed to destroy a Russian T-72. On the video you can see the hit to the tank and the subsequent fire. We remind that the Ukrainian military destroyed a Russian tank with a well-aimed shot. Also, the Ukrainian military destroyed the Russian tank Stugna. Earlier, Ukrainian special forces managed to destroy 2 Russian tanks on the front line in the Kherson region. Read urgent and important messages about Russia's war against Ukraine on the RBC Ukraine Telegram channel.